Send a request to Wayfair. 200 OK. Looks fine. But check the body. Press and hold. The whole response is a bot challenge page. This is PerimeterX. Akamai grade fingerprinting. Press the button or get nothing. And the button needs a real browser with a real mouse press to fire the JavaScript handler. Open the scrape-do dashboard. Grab the API token. Build the fetch wrapper. 2 flags this time. Super equals true for the WAF layer. Render equals true to execute the JavaScript and clear the challenge. Both required. Either alone fails. Send the same request through the wrapper. 200 again. But this time, the body is real Wayfair HTML with the drawn field arch mirror loaded. Now open DevTools and look at the product title. The class name is 603ATZ18Y.HAPM HK7.HAPM HKF. Webpack generated garbage. It changes on every deploy. But scroll through the DOM. Every meaningful element has a data-test-ID or a data-RTL-ID attribute. Breadcrumbs crumb1 for the SKU. Listing manufacturer name for the seller. Price display for the price. These are Wayfair's internal QA test hooks. Left in production. They survive deploys. Class names lie. Test IDs don't. Type the extraction. Product name from the H1 tag itself, no class needed. SKU from the breadcrumb test ID, strip the SKU prefix. Seller from the manufacturer, RTLID. Drop the leading by. Current price from the price display node, clean the $sign and commas. Now, the discount logic. If a previous price container exists, the product is on sale. Pull the original price, compute the percentage difference, format as a rounded integer with a % sign. Run it. Drawn field, arch mirror, SKUW 100133415. Mercer 41, 95.99 current, 104.99 original, 8% off, 4.8 stars, 2,266 reviews. One product, 8 clean fields. Now scale it up. Same scraper logic, different scope, 3 levels. Level 1 was one product. Level 2 is a whole category. Level 3 is every color and size combination of a single product. Same bypass. Same data test, ED, anchors. Different loops. Switch to the full-length mirrors category. 5,902 items. We're going to grab the first 250. Wayfair's pagination is simple. $curpage equals 2 for page 2. $curpage equals 3 for page 3. First page has no parameter. Loop through 5 pages. On each page, find every element with data-test-ID listing card. Each card carries the product name, the price, the seller, the lead image, and a /-p DP link to the detail page. Pull all of them. Deduplicate by product link. Wayfair sometimes returns the same product across consecutive pages, especially sponsored items. The link is the unique key. Run it. 5 pages, 237 unique products saved to Wayfair category JSON. Open the file. First entry, Alize arched metal, oversized mirrors by latitude run. 76.99 current, 350 original. 78% off retail. 6,031 reviews. That's the kind of signal you don't get from looking at one page. You get it from looking at the whole category. Now level 3, variations. The Winston Porter Savan curtain panels have multiple colors and multiple sizes. Each combination is a separate page with its own pod parameter. 10 colors times 5 sizes equals 50 pages to visit. Each combination has its own price, its own stock status, its own URL. This is where most scrapers give up. Build a retry helper first. 3 attempts per request. Return the HTML or none. Then walk the base page and build an option ID to name mapping from the next JS variant choices script tag. This dictionary lets us translate raw IDs into human-readable color names later. Now, extract the color IDs from the rendered HTML. Every selectable swatch has a data-test-ID of PDP-CH, selectable component, and a data-option ID-ID attribute. Grab the option ID, read the image alt text, strip the selected and unavailable suffixes. Build a colors dictionary. Now, the nested loop. Colors on the outside. For each color, fetch its dedicated page and extract every size pie that combines with it. Then for every color size combination, fetch the variation URL, pull the price, check the stock status, and append to the results. Every cell of the matrix gets visited. Every variation gets its own row. Run it. Processing color, copper. Processing color, mulberry. Processing color, saffron. 84 total variations across the product. Save to Wayfair variations JSON. Open the file. Color copper, 52 by 84 inches, $29.99, out of stock. PIID 11595165, 115951651674. The complete variation matrix of a single Wayfair curtain. Color, size, price, stock, and the exact pie-eyed URL to reproduce each combination. 3 scrapers, 1 bypass. PerimeterX defeated with 2 flags. Full code on GitHub. Free credits at scrape.do.